Hi, my name is Allison. Today I'm going to teach you the basics of Mendeley. First, go to your favorite browser and look for Mendeley. Click the first option, then go to the download button, then download your Mendeley package according to your computer system. Then install it. Because this is an easy step, I will skip it. Now, to use your Mendeley, you need to create an account. Click on the Register button, then create your account on the web. This is also an easy step, so I will skip it. Now sign on Mendeley with your new account. Then you will see this panel. This panel has 4 sections. The left section contains all your papers organized by folders. The right section contains the detailed description of one selected paper. Also has a comment tab and a content tab. The middle section has all your papers. You can sort your papers by title, year, etc. You can see which paper has a file attached, also which one is read, which one is marked as favorite. Also, you can edit this by a click and mark the papers manually. For a quick start, we will create a folder. Then, to add papers, we can click in the paper symbol on the upper section or with a right click. You can add a paper in the PDF version or in a reference management version. This last one is obtained when you download references using PubMed. The advantage of a PDF version is that you are able to read your paper using Mendeley. On the other hand, you cannot read your papers if you are adding them using a reference management version. If you want to read it, you can add a file by clicking here. To read your paper, you can double-click it, and in the upper section you will find a highlight tool and a note tool. Also, you can write extra notes here. All your add-ins will appear in the right section. To share references with your team, you can create a group. You can start adding your team mails. By clicking in the name of the group, will appear a web version of your group. This version looks like a very simple social media web. Every time you add a paper on your Mendeley, this will appear on the web version like this. Also, you can post anything in the web version, leave comments, and give likes. Finally, you can add people using the web version. This is all. I hope you like my tutorial. If you have any question, let me know and I will answer it as soon as I can. Thank you.